class, this is Rubik's Cube 88 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 4 cool 4x4 patterns. So if you have a 4x4 and if it's solved, go ahead, get it out, and we'll learn some cool patterns. Alright, so the first pattern is called the checkerboard pattern. So in order to get the checkerboard on the 4x4, hold it in any way you want when it's solved, and do this algorithm. F2, B2, R2, L2, U2, D2. And there you go, you have the checkerboard on every side. Okay, so now in order to solve from the checkerboard pattern, we're going to do this algorithm. D2, U2, L2, R2, B2, F2. And there you go, you have solved your cube from the checkerboard pattern. Now on to pattern number 2. Okay, so pattern number 2 on the 4x4 Rubik's Cube is the cross. So in order to get the cross, you have to do this algorithm. U, F, B prime, L2, U2, L2, F prime, B, U2, L2, U. And look at that, you have the cross on every side of the cube. Okay, so in order to solve the cross, you have to do this algorithm. U prime, L2, U2, B prime, F, L2, U2, L2, B, F prime, U prime. And there you go, you have solved your cube from the checkerboard pattern. From the cross pattern. Okay, so pattern number 3 on the 4x4 Rubik's Cube is the dots. And in order to get the dots, you have to do this algorithm. U, D prime, R, L prime, F, B prime, U, D prime. There you go, you have the dots on every side, all of the centers are changed. Okay, so in order to solve the dots pattern, you have to do this algorithm. D, U prime, B, F prime, L, R prime, D, U prime. And there you go, you have solved your cube from the dot pattern. Now onto the last pattern. Alright, so the last pattern on the 4x4 Rubik's Cube is the anaconda pattern. And I kind of like this pattern. It is one of my favorites on the 4x4. So in order to get the anaconda pattern, you have to do this algorithm. L, U, B prime, U prime, R, L prime, B, R prime, F, D prime, D, R, D prime, F prime. And there you go, anaconda on every side. It's kind of like this, like hook here. So this is anaconda. You have on the white little hook, the blue, the red and everything. That's the anaconda pattern. Okay, so in order to solve the anaconda pattern, you have to do this algorithm. F, D, R prime, D prime, B, F prime, R, B prime, L, R prime, U, B, U prime, L, L prime. And there you go, you have solved your cube from the anaconda pattern. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if I did good or not. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.